Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get your mail directed to Gmail. So your Facebook mail directed into your Gmail account. And it's really simple. You just go into the top right-hand corner right here, that bottom arrow, click on Account Settings, click on General, and just make sure that your Gmail account is selected. You can always edit that by clicking on your primary email right there, but my Gmail account is already selected. And then go into Notifications. By default, this here will be checked, so you want to uncheck it. If you uncheck it, then you'll get additional options, and you'll go into All Notifications right here and click Edit. Then you can click Facebook whenever someone sends you a message and just make sure that is checked, and then click Save Changes. I think it's automatically. There are really no changes because mine was already checked. But if I wanted to add that, I would just say Save Changes. And now, anytime a friend adds me to Facebook, that actually comes in as a notification into my Gmail. Or anytime someone sends me a message as well, that information is directed into my Gmail account. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to contact me at www.wandia.info.